Hey, what's up? It's kmbfanofpacman, and I'm here to say Happy St. Patrick's Day to you. This is going to be a Happy St. Patrick's Day elevator ride, and this is an Otis elevator. I will put that in the description. And we're going to go to 3. Remember. Here, 3. Sounds a little bumpy. I'm going to go back to 1. Excuse me, lobby. Fixtures. There's a phone. Bit nice elevator with, I think there's a marble walls or something. Here to lobby. Here to lobby. That was pretty quick. There, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and Happy St. Patrick's Day.